Okay, here is the morning paddle down Shingle Creek using my new XG1 with the modified thumb screws to handle the Gopro Hero 4 Black with backpack. And everything seems to be working extremely well. I did recalibrate it, so it worked out really great. I'll be posting this up on the Hohem user site to give you an idea of how it worked. I'm going to try the Hohem app. We have a full battery. Now I want to turn it, not that way, this way. To reiterate my post, I had a old WG that broke and was beyond warranty period, so it's now a paperweight. I took the longer thumb screws and tested it against the Hohem XG1, and the threads are exactly the same. So if you do want to mount your GoPro Hero 4 Black with backpack, all you have to have is just the longer screws. Now we're going to play with this just a little bit here. Now we're on the other side, showing the other side here. Now what I want to do is lock all. That way it'll just stay where I've got it. I hope you enjoyed this little short clip showing the modification where you can add your GoPro Hero 4 Black with backpack with just having the longer thumb screws, and it'll work just fine.